Hi, welcome to Explainur.com's podcast, where we simplify digital marketing for students and side hustlers around the world.
If you're a student who's even thinking about freelancing, content creation, or any online hustle, pause scrolling because this one's for you. Today, we're talking personal brands, what they are, why they matter, and how to start building yours without feeling cringe.
Exactly, because in 2025, your personal brand is your online resume, vibe, and story, all wrapped into one.
And let's be real, if you're not shaping your brand, the internet's going to shape it for you.
Okay, picture this. Your personal brand is like your digital aura. It's not just your Instagram feed or LinkedIn bio. It's the story people tell about you when you're not in the room, but online.
Yep, Jeff Bezos said it best. Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room.
Whether you want to be a freelance designer, an influencer, or run a meme page, your personal brand is what sets you apart in a world of scrollable sameness.
And newsflash, you already have a personal brand. The question is it intentional or accidental?
Let's break it down. As students, you're not just preparing for a job. You're building reputation capital, and a personal brand is your way of showing up consistently with clarity.
It's like leaving digital breadcrumbs for future clients, collabs, or recruiters to follow.
Breadcrumbs that don't lead to weird tweets from 2014. Please clean that stuff up.
Facts. Whether you're applying for internships, pitching clients, or just sharing your thoughts, having a cohesive online identity builds trust. And trust equals opportunities.
If you're listening, hit pause right after this episode and Google yourself. What shows up? That's your brand right now.
All right, let's make it simple. Your personal brand equals voice, values, visuals, vibe.
Say that again for the students in the back.
Voice, values, visuals, vibe. Voice is how you communicate. Friendly, formal, quirky. Values are what you stand for. What do you believe in or care about? Visuals, the aesthetic. Colors, fonts, even your profile pic. Vibe, this is what people feel when they consume your content.
You don't need to figure it all out overnight. Just pick one platform and start showing up intentionally.
And don't overthink it. You're not Coca-Cola, you're a human. Be real, be relatable.
Let's say you're starting today. First step, decide your niche of expression. Not your forever niche, just what you want to explore.
Exactly. Like, are you into fitness, photography, marketing, gaming, productivity? Start posting your perspective, even if it's not perfect.
Here's the trick. Share what you're learning as you learn it. You don't need to be an expert to be valuable.
Yep. Think of it like being a tour guide on your own journey. Hey, I just learned about SEO basics. Here's what clicked for me.
After this episode, write a simple post. It could be a LinkedIn update, an Instagram story, or even a tweet. Just start talking about something you're learning or care about.
That one post might reach your future mentor or even your first client.
Let's rapid fire some mistakes we made early on, starting with trying to be everywhere.
Yes. Pick one platform and show up consistently. Don't burn out trying to be a TikTok star and a blogger and a LinkedIn guru.
Another one, copy-pasting someone else's style. It's fine to be inspired, but don't lose your own tone in the process.
And please, for the love of all things digital, don't treat it like a performance. This isn't a highlight reel. It's your real reel.
Here's a quote to end on. People connect with people, not perfection. That's the magic of personal branding.
So, what makes a personal brand? It's how you show up online with purpose, not perfection.
Start small. Start now. Be consistent. And remember, your brand isn't built overnight. It's built every time you show up online.
Head to Explainur.com for guides, strategies, and tips to build your brand with confidence.
Thanks for hanging out with us today on the Explainur.com podcast. We've got more episodes coming your way, all packed with no fluff tips to help students grow online.
Until next time, show up, speak up, and remember, you already have a brand. Now, make it intentional. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned.